So this is a very annoying problem when I usually copy my text from ChatGPT. You write something to ChatGPT, you have a conversation, we ask ChatGPT, you may ask something, ChatGPT to write something for you, an essay, maybe something, something that you want, and then you copy the text that you got from ChatGPT to your text and you have this black box. Very annoying this text, this black text box. So to fix this problem is very simple. That's what I do usually. Instead of pasting the text right away, I paste the text to the search bar. Okay, I'll paste the text here. So copy, paste, and then what I do here is just Control A to select everything, and then Control C and Control V. And now I don't have the black text. Easy, So I really hope you found this trick helpful. Make sure you subscribe for more, and if you have any suggestions for the next ChatGPT tutorial, let me know in the comment section. Maybe there's a question, maybe there's something that you have a problem with ChatGPT, there's something that you don't know how to do in ChatGPT. Make sure you leave your question in the comment section. And that's pretty much it. I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day and take care.